Hello student, today we'll start the unit number 1 titled Light Wave System Component. So first point is key element of optical fiber systems. So these are the diagram. If you observe the diagram, you start with the electrical input signal, then the transmitter. In transmitter contain the driver circuitry, light source. This portion you can call as fiber fly lead, connector, then optical splice, optical fiber cable, optical fiber coupler or beam splitter we can call it. Then this one is nothing but regenerator. Then in regenerator, optical receiver, electronics, optical transmitters. Again the connectors. This is nothing but optical splice. Then optical amplifier, connector, and this is nothing but receiver. In receiver, optical fiber fly lead, photodetector, amplifier, signal restorer, and electrical signal output. Here is the solid line. You can call it electrical signal, and such type of hash lines we can call it optical signals. So starting with this is nothing but major elements of optical fiber transmission link. Okay, so the basic components are light signal transmitter, optical fiber cable, the photodetector receiver. In addition, include the fiber, cable splice, connector, regenerator, beam splitter, and optical amplifier. So, see what will happen. An optical fiber transmission link comprises the element as shown in this figure, right? So the key section are transmitter consisting of light source, its associative driver circuitry, cable offering mechanical and environmental protection to optical fiber contained inside, and the receiver, right, consists of photodetector plus amplification and signal restoring circuitry. Additional components include optical amplifier, connector, splices, couplers, and regenerators, right? So this regenerator we can use for restoring the signal shape characteristic. Now, in addition to protecting glass fiber during the installation and service, the cable may contain copper wires for power amplifier or signal regenerators, which are needed periodically for amplification and reshaping the signal in longer distance links. So, if you observe the diagram, okay, here is the connector, okay, here is again connector. Connector means we can call as, okay, whenever you connect a fiber cable, okay, so initial this cable will be passed through these connectors, right? Then if you observe the what is the starting with this first point, for example, the electrical input signal, right? So that we can provide it to input of your transmitter. So our light source, okay, so light source maybe we can use as the LED, light emitting diode, or laser as a light source. So what are the electrical signals we can provide? That was convert into optical signal or light form by using this light source. Okay, for conversion, okay, so this driver circuitry will receive that electrical signal and output of that driver circuitry connected to the light source. Then this will be convert your electrical signal to your optical signals. Then this optical signals will be, after conversion, this will be passed through this optical fiber cable. So optical fiber cable, just like your, you can call as in your electromagnetic waveguides. Okay, here is the halo shapes of portion on it. Okay, square waveform from outside you can see that is a square wave, square shapes. Okay, and inside the halo portions are it. Similarly, for optical fiber cable, inside is the halo portions, and inside part we can call as a core, and core is protected by insulating material is called as cladding. Is called as cladding. Through this connector, this will be passes, and this is going to be an optical splice. Whenever you want to join the two pieces of the optical fiber permanently, in that case, okay, in that case, uh, special equipment is required, obvious, for joining the two pieces of optical fiber cable. Then it will be joined permanently. Through this, it will pass to, if that beam, electrical beam, optical signal will be passes through the optical signals will be passes through the cable, and if required to connect to other equipment, in that case we require the splitters. Okay, so we can call it as optical coupler or beam splitter. Okay, so that main, what are the optical signal will be received, that will be divided or split into the as per your requirements. Then this we can connect it to your regenerators. In regenerator, optical receivers are there, electronics and optical transmitters. So here in the regenerator, it will be converted into the your optical signal to electrical signal, convert, boost signal, and again it will be retransmit. Okay. Again it is nothing but connected to optical splitter, then optical amplifiers. Optical amplifier will be amplify the signal. Okay. So both the optical amplifier as well as the repeaters, we can call as regenerators, having the function is the boosting of the signals. Okay, boosting of the signal, boosting of optical signal we can call it as. But in one type we can convert optical signal into electrical, modify, or you can boost it, and again it will transmit to the optical. But in another one, we directly boost up the your optical signals. So we'll learn in the coming lectures in the depth of that regenerators as well as the optical amplifiers. Then it will be connected to your through a connector to your receivers. Okay, so photodetector is there. Okay, so role of photodetector is nothing but once the signal or light signal pass or fall on, the light will be fall on that respective detector, that will be convert your optical signal to your electrical energy, right? Then it may be avalanche photodiode, phototransistor, photodiodes, like that different types of photodetectors. Okay, after that we are having the output is of electrical, right? This electrical will energy will be amplified by the amplifier, and it is connected to then signal restorer, and will got the electrical signal output. Okay, so here in the solid line, this solid lines indicates this is useful for, or you can call it, this is nothing but your electrical signals. Okay, and such type of halo portions we can use for the transmission of optical signals. Okay, so this is nothing but key elements of optical fiber systems, also called as three basic key elements: transmitter, receiver, and optical fiber cables. Okay, and in details like this one the working. Okay, so here what are the signal we can transmit it? It is in the form of electrical, and finally again we got the same signal in the form of electrical. But in between that electrical will be converted to optical, that optic, because that media, what are the signals will be passed, they will only accept the optical signals. That's why we require conversion of that electrical to optical, and this task is done by this such type of light source, right? And it will pass through the optical fiber cable. After that, your receiver side again it will be converted into original forms, right? Means your optical signal into the electrical form, and at the end we receive the what are the signal we can transmit it, and the same will be received at the receiver gate. In this way we can transmit the electrical signal through optical fiber cable. Okay, but whenever you transmit that electrical signal, before passing through the optical fiber cable, it will be convert electrical to optical. Okay, hope so we understood the key element concept of optical fiber system. Thank you.